Hello everyone, welcome to our new video. In today's video we break down the top 5 best printer stands with storage, that are available on the market. I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link in the description section below. And make sure you subscribe to more videos. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5. Victor Midnight Black Collection 1130-5 Wood Printer Stand. Organize your office space with the Victor Best Printer Stand with storage. It has a black finish to go well with other utilities such as chairs, tables, and even stationery. With 2 sizable drawers, you can keep printer supplies as well as office utilities securely. There are 4 shelf placements for you to customize the setting as the compartments are removable. You can fit folders or paper reams after opening the storage at the top or bottom. Now, you have easy access to your essentials without using too much office floor room. This item's attractive design offers a refined look thanks to the brushed metal poles. Not only that, but the frosted glass inserts improve aesthetics while the faux leather insert looks more appealing. Leather is also a durable material that requires minimal care to keep it in its original state. Alternatively, use a soft cloth to wipe off dirt away. At number 4. Safco Products Deskside Wire Machine Stand 5207BL. The best printer stand with storage gives you easy access to items like the Safco mobile table. Boasting of 4 quality swivel wheels, you get a smooth movement around the office. Also, its easy mobility is perfect for setting in an office, meeting area, home, or conference room effortlessly. The 2 casters lock to give a fixed placement when you are working. Measuring 24 inches wide by 20 inches diameter by 27 inches high, it holds multiple utilities such as a printer, scanner, and other office essentials off your desk. This gives you an easy reach as compared to other methods. With 2 storage shelves, they provide ample room for holding toner, paper ream, and much more. Assembly is easy, thanks to an ergonomic construction with a laminate top and steel wireframe. They deliver exceptional support and stability as the powder coating resists scratching. At number 3. Bestier Printer Stand Wooden Storage Cabinet. There is no other storage cabinet that gives an excellent versatility than the Bestier. You can use it in your kitchen, home, or office to improve your utility storage. With multiple compartments, including a 2-tier shelf, you can place your scanner or printer safely for an easy reach. Besides, this structure doubles as a nightstand, storage cabinet, shelf, or side-end table to meet various applications. An added advantage is the integrated mobile slot that customizes your storing organization. Made of solid wood, it looks sleek while ensuring a long-lasting performance. Plus, the material improves the decor display in your home or office for a modern appearance. There is no need to use a small stand when you have this one with a spacious design. Its top surfaces, large drawer, hidden lower shelf, and an open slot let you keep a variety of items. At number 2. FitUI's Mobile Printer Stand with Organizing Storage. Enjoy a simple office utility storage with the FitUI's printer stand. Featuring 4 open storage slots, 2 smaller and 2 large ones, you have extensive options to where to keep your items. The compact shelves are divided by an adjustable compartment to improve the inner appearance. You can place the more significant load on the bottom and compact ones on the top, depending on your accessibility preferences. Besides, this mobile cart lets you keep your printer, toner, cartridge, paper, and more accessories under your desk or floor space. With quality casters, movement is a breeze. They move swiftly and smoothly on most surfaces, such as hardwood floors, tiles, and others. Also, they have a braking system in case you need to make a sudden stop during mobility. Besides, this gadget has better durability than other designs. And finally at number 1. Yaheetech Rolling Printer Stand with Storage for Office Home. If you want a convenient and easy-to-use printer stand, Yaheetech is here for you. Boasting of 1 open storage, it improves the accessibility of your items. The other designs have a lot of slots that require a better storage system to locate each valuable. With the 4 wheels, they rotate up to 360 degrees for natural movement. Whether you move backward, forwards, side to side, you get easy mobility. Plus, its modern braking system stops quickly when the need arises, such as avoiding sliding. This movable cabinet has 4 closed slots behind the sturdy dual doors. They have an adjustable shelf divider that lets you set at 5 inches, 7 inches and 10 inches intervals to meet your preferences. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to my channel for more videos. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.